What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. Nikki here, and in today's video, I'm going to go over the stocks that I bought this month in March, you guys. Specifically 4 stocks. I spent about 390-ish bucks, but you already know the drill, y'all. Let's get it.
Ooh, big bag. You not talking money, you can miss me with the chit chat. I'm not with the rah-rah or the rip.
So first things first, you guys, I want to make a quick little disclaimer here. I didn't realize I spent that much. I really wasn't planning on spending that much, but we had some pretty good opportunities this last month to pick up some stocks at some great discounted prices. So before this video even starts, I'm gonna go ahead and just ask y'all to tell me what you bought this month, because there were so many opportunities that I just don't want to wait. I want to read it ASAP. So go ahead, let me know down below what you purchased this month. And you guys, I'm so stoked with the stocks that I bought. They are some of my absolute favorite companies, favorite stocks. These are all stocks that I definitely will be holding for the long term, you guys. So I'ma stop jibber-jabbering my damn jawline, and I'm gonna just get into the video because quite frankly my head is throbbing. So let's go ahead, let's get into the first stock. You guys, that one is going to be Peloton. You guys, I went ahead, I bought one more share of Peloton at $98.75, and let me tell you something, I did not think Peloton was gonna fall under 100 anytime soon, but here we are. I'm pretty sure since then it has gone back up, so I had a great buy-in opportunity. But with that purchase, now my total holdings for Peloton is now 7 shares. God bless, because I had 11 shares and I sold 5 of them when it hit like $50 damn like a fool. But now I have 7 at an average cost of $36.14. Now I realize that this company does not pay a dividend, but I love them so much that I know I'm going to be holding them for a minimum of 10, 15, 20 years to see how it goes. So I'll definitely be adding when I see another drop. The next company in stock I pulled the trigger on, that's an absolute godsend. So happy I got another share, and that is going to be Apple, you guys. I bought one share at $118.75. I believe kind of after I bought it went down to like 116 or 115, and I was all up in my feels. But today I think it was like 123, 124, something like that. So we on the up and up. So you guys, that brings my total holdings of Apple to 11 shares at an average cost of $88.32. Then if you guys have watched this video and you had a sneak peek into the fridge, you guys will realize I'm obsessed with Pepsi, Diet Pepsi specifically, but the company Pepsi. So I had to grab a share of Pepsi. I went ahead and bought one share at an average cost of $133.55. That now puts my current position holding in Pepsi to 5 shares at an average cost of $128.98. Are you guys team Coke or team Pepsi? Let me know down below in the comments, because that's just a fun thing that I would like to know. But then you guys, for the last purchase of the month, I went reserved. I went a little safe, I cannot lie. And I went ahead and I bought one share of Spyv at an average cost of $38 flat, bringing my total holdings of Spyv to 7 at an average cost of $32.68. So like I said in the beginning of the video, you guys, I spent a total of $389.05 this month on stocks, okay? Mostly dividend paying stock. We had one growth stock in there because you already know. I feel like you have to have both. And I am gonna plug the link down below in the description box, because if you click on that, you can sign up for Robinhood, you can sign up for Webull, get a couple free stocks, separate your account, keep it separate and organized, y'all. You already know. On that note, could you please smash the thumbs up button, because your girl's out here grinding when her head is freaking pounding. Like, I have the worst headache known to man right now, and I just need to go lay the hell down and go to bed. Damn. If you are not subscribed, please consider subscribing by hitting the MB in the bottom corner or the red subscribe button down underneath the video below. I post 2 videos a week on this channel about stocks, money, investing, finance, side hustles, making money and having a good ass time. And you already know, if you are this far, you are the realest of the MVPs. I freaking love you. Come here. And like always, you guys, enjoy the journey, whatever your journey is. Always remember to do set your hearts on fire, and I better see y'all in my next video. Bye, guys.